Go, mommy.
Ready? Hold your bag. Oh, Daddy. Here,
Hold your bag. Come on.
Baby. Say trick or treat. You have it?
Yeah.
Come on. What are we going to say?
I'm with you. Come on.
Come
You gotta
on,
say
baby,
trick or
this
treat
way.
when you get up.
Mommy, hold
They're
the
gonna
bag.
give you candy.
Here, look. We got to say trick or treat. Come on. Who is it, baby? Come here.
Come on.
Pumpkins. Come on. Look, pumpkins on the step. Come here. Ready? You see pumpkins.
Come on, bud.
First trick or treat. See Luigi. Ready? Just step up. Step up. Mommy put you up. Ready? Oh, Spider-Man. Okay, ready? Ring the doorbell.
Say trick or treat, okay?
Hold it open. Say trick or treat. Right?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Say trick or treat.
You are his first ever trick or treat house, so.
Favorite too. He likes that. Oh,
Thank you so much.
Say happy Halloween. Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready, bud? Whoa, your first one. You did good. Go
Come
ahead.
on, bud.
Come on.
You're like, what's going on? You get candy?
Back at the house. Come on, bud. Mommy's got the candy. Candy.
Come on.
We'll put that one in?
Come on.
No? All right.
You know.
Come on. Which way you want to go? This way? Okay. Come on. Come on. This way, bud.
Come on, buddy.
Too much candy.
This way, Nick.
Come on, Stinker Pop. Mickey, over here, baby.
Come on. Come on.
No more. You got to find the other houses. He's like, wait, they give out candy.
Come on.
Everybody's going to give it to you.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go, bud. Mommy, come get you. Ready, look. Whoa!
We're gonna get some candy.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Want to go across the street? Let's go across here, baby. Hold Mommy's
Hold on.
hand. Watch for cars.